Hey friends, so in this video I will explain you that how to create unlimited free AI videos in bulk. So for this we are going to use meta.ai that can generate free videos. The method that we were using before to generate one single video was this. Let me show you first that method. So you can go to meta.ai and here you can click on create, and then we need to describe the image. For example, an educational institute with computers, and for example we just press this button, so this will generate 4 images, and just wait few seconds. So you can see 4 images has been created. So if we want to make a video, so we can click on animate and wait for a few seconds and it will animate, and you can see the video has been created. See this one, and it looks amazing. See, and we can even download it from here. So you can see the video is downloaded. But now the problem is if we want to generate unlimited in bulk. So for this we need to install automation for Meta AI, this extension. So you can add it to Chrome, add extension. So once this has been added, you can see it is here, Automata. So go to Meta AI. Now we need to add prompt list here. So for this we can go to ChatGPT, a new chat, for example, and I want to make, for example, 5 videos, uh, 5 videos about rooms and house construction. The video size will be portrait, and generate 5 different prompts. So you can see this is the first prompt, so we can copy this prompt in Meta AI. First prompt, then press enter. So if you will not make this space, so it will count it as a single prompt. So this is the second prompt. Now this is second prompt, and then we have third prompt, and it is here. Then press enter, and this is the fourth prompt, and then we have fifth prompt from here. And now you can see I have just pasted 5 prompts here. So we can click on start. So you can see the processing prompt 1 by 5. See, so you can see it is now generating the videos. Processing prompt 2 by 5. See, so we didn't create manually as I did for one video, you remember, in meta.ai. So here it is automatically, you can see it is generating in our meta.ai, and also it is downloading automatically. See this one, the first cinematic video of modern bedroom has been downloaded. If we open, It is downloading now these videos one by one. If we go to our main like meta.ai vibes, so here you can see in the create, sorry, so everything is here now. See, all prompts you can see there, different versions of the video we can see there. For example, this one, see this, the prompt we can see, the first prompt, it was cinematic video of a modern bedroom under construction, started with an empty concrete room and then transformation showing well plastering, ceiling installation with LED. And so you can see here, see this one, incredible. See, even this one also you can see. See, so Automata AI can generate unlimited videos. See, and also downloading. See, the main thing is also it's downloading. See, the video generated this one. This is small kitchen transferring into modern small kitchen. You can see this video. See, it is amazing. Wow. All prompts you can see here. Small kitchen, living room, interior construction. See this one. This video you can see. Amazing. So as much as in detail you will give the prompt to this tool and it will create videos according to that. This is hyper realistic house construction video you can see. See, the construction video it is here. So like this you can generate unlimited and free AI videos using Meta AI and Automata extension, Google Chrome extension. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.